This AirPods Pro case is quickly becoming one of my favorite everyday carry accessories, and this one specifically for one specific reason. Hear me for just a little bit and I'm gonna tell you. So for starters, as you can see, it is a very well constructed AirPods Pro case. It fits the AirPods Pro case in very snugly and has a nice clasp on top that you can use to attach to your keys. It's available in green, which, as you might be able to tell, is my favorite color, and it feels really nice to the touch. Though I do want to note that this seems to be made out of PU leather instead of genuine leather for those who care about the materials. But the one specific reason I like this AirPods Pro case compared to all the other designs that I've seen is that it has a closed button clasp. A huge design flaw that I've noticed with AirPods Pro cases, including ones that I previously owned, is that it just has a portion to cover the top and a portion to cover the bottom. But the whole point of getting an AirPods Pro case cover isn't to protect the plastic case that your AirPods Pro comes in, it's to protect your AirPods Pro, right? And what happens when you have a case that has a separated top and bottom and you're walking around and you're carrying your AirPods Pro in your pocket is when it falls out of your pocket and it hits the floor, the case top and bottom just opens and your AirPods fly right out, like literally flies out. Hopefully you've never had it happen to you before, but I've had it happen several times, and it's just very frustrating and a nightmare to deal with when you're like in a parking lot or in a garage. With this button clasp design that connects the top and bottom of the AirPods Pro case together and keeps it as one solid piece, if for whatever reason this clasp fails when it's attached to your keys and your AirPods fall out of your pocket and hit the floor, it's still going to stay intact and your AirPods Pro aren't going to fly everywhere like it would with any other cases. And I've tested this several times. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna do a drop test right now and show y'all. Okay, this might be painful to watch, but you guys ready? Secured. See? Completely intact and did not fly open whatsoever. So yeah, I would consider this case an essential everyday carry for anyone that owns an AirPods Pro. It not only looks really cool, but it does the job of keeping your AirPods Pro secure and in your case if it drops. So pick up one of these and you're never gonna have to buy another AirPods Pro case again.